wasn't supposed to find it. It was just there, hidden, buried somewhere inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Then the moment I clicked it, everything changed. But here's the part. No one tells you how many tools are you ignoring right now that could cut your editing time in half. You open your timeline, same routine. Import clips, drag, drop, cut. You've done this before? Feels familiar? Safe? Almost automatic. But something feels slow. Like you're repeating the same steps over and over again. Imagine this. You're editing a long clip, talking head. Lots of pauses, mistakes, breaths. You zoom in, start cutting manually. Slice, delete, slice again. Minutes pass, then more. And suddenly, you've spent an hour doing something that feels mechanical. Then you notice it. A panel you've never touched before. Text. You click it. Nothing happens at first. Just words. Then you transcribe. And suddenly, your entire video becomes text. Every word, every pause, right in front of you. You hesitate, then you delete a sentence. And the video cuts itself. Automatically. Perfectly. No blade tool, no guessing, just gone. And for a second, you stop breathing. Because how long has this been here? You sit back, look at your timeline, and it feels different now. It's like you've been doing things the hard way, without even realizing it. Keep exploring, because now you're curious. What else is hidden? You duplicate a clip. Trying something random, and you notice a small tool, object mask. You hover over your subject. A red outline appears, following you, tracking you. Like the software understands what you're looking at, you draw a rough shape. Hit track, and it moves. Frame by frame, sticking to the subject, separating it from the background, effortlessly and suddenly. You're not just editing anymore. You're controlling layers, depth, space. You place text behind yourself. Play it, and it looks like something you've seen on big channels. Clean, professional, almost cinematic. And you didn't even leave the software. You pause, because now this doesn't feel like basic editing anymore. It feels like something deeper, something you've been missing. Then it happens again. Another hidden feature. You right-click a clip. Almost by accident, scene edit detection. You click it, analyze, wait, and suddenly, your entire video is cut into pieces, perfectly aligned with every scene change. Every transition, every shift, done in seconds. You stare at it because this would have taken hours. And now it's just there. You scroll through your timeline. But now you're not editing. You're observing. You're looking for things you've missed before. Then you see it. Master clip. You click it, adjust color, just slightly, and every single clip updates across the entire timeline at once. No copying, no pasting, no repeating, just one change, affecting everything. You lean back, because now it's obvious. You weren't slow. You just didn't know. But here's where it gets uncomfortable, because now you realize how many hours you've wasted. Cutting manually, fixing things one by one, repeating tasks, doing everything the long way, and it's not your fault. No one shows you this. No one tells you where to look. You just figure it out, or you don't. You keep going, exploring deeper. Workspaces, you rearrange panels, move things around. Build your own setup. One for YouTube, one for vertical, right, one for focus. And suddenly, your workflow feels faster, cleaner. Yours, you switch between them. Instantly. No searching. No dragging panels again. Just flow. And that's when it clicks. These features were never hidden. They were just ignored. You play your timeline again. This time, everything feels different. Faster, smoother, intentional. Not because you worked harder, but because you worked smarter. Watch it back. And it feels like something you didn't struggle to make. Something that came together. Naturally. Same editor, same footage, same you. But now, you see things differently. You close. Adobe Premiere Pro. Desktop quiet. Screen fades. And for a moment, you just sit there, thinking about all the things still hidden. All the tools you haven't touched yet. All the time you're about to save. And the next time you open that timeline, you won't just edit. You'll look for what everyone else is missing.